Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see how to make use of screen flow in Salesforce Experience Cloud site for a guest user. First thing we have to make sure is the Experience Cloud site should be accessed without any login credential. Go to settings in the Experience Cloud site builder. Go to general settings. Under public access, enable guest users can see and interact with the site without logging in. Once this checkbox is enabled, and if you publish the Experience Cloud site, then users can view the Experience Cloud site without logging in. So first I have made sure the Experience Cloud site is accessible publicly. And next thing what we have to do is we have to go to the guest user profile. So under the same general settings, you will get a link to the Experience Cloud guest user profile. My Experience Cloud site name is customer service, so I get a profile with the name customer service profile. So based on the Experience Cloud site name you have, it will give the link. So once I click it, it will take it to my profiles, guest user profile. Here we have to give the flow access. In my home page, I have added a flow component, standard flow component, and here I have selected a flow called create case form. On the guest user profile, go to flow access, click edit and make sure create case form flow is added. If your flow name is different, you should edit and add that flow name. When you click and if you don't see the flows to add, go to flows in Salesforce setup, select the flow. You should see an action menu here. Click the action menu, select the edit access and enable override default behavior and restrict access to enabled profiles or permission sets. Once this feature is enabled, then if you go to flow access, then you should be able to select the flow. Without this step, we won't be able to access the flow in the Experience Cloud site. So make sure you edit the flow and enable override default behavior and restrict access to enabled profiles or permission sets. Once this is done, you can add the flow and you can test it. One more thing, let's look at the flow here. I have a screen element here where I'm getting case subject and case description, and I'm using create records element. Here I'm creating a case record, and in the end I have a screen to display thank you. Since I'm going to create case record, I have to give create access to the guest user profile. So same way, go to settings, go to general settings, click the guest user profile, go to object settings, select the object for which you are going to give access. So I have given create access to case object, so that when this particular create case record element gets fired, it will create the case record without any permission issue. So let's test this. So it created the case. So this is the case which got created. So we have to select edit access, and we have to override the default behavior. And in the experience cloud site, we have to make sure the site is accessible for public, and we have to go to the guest user profile, give access to the flow, and as well as if we are doing any DML operations, we have to give access to those objects. I hope it was helpful. Thank you for watching.